to the next homepage example called union. So union means you have two different objects and you put that combined, and after that is you can use that as one object. That is one set of the concept in the set theory. So you can have union, you can have this intersection, or you can use that one to minus another thing. So, but we only test from the union first on these simple examples. So let's go to our code. Let me create 010 folder. And here, let's see the final effect is we will create our square individually is with the red color, and we create our this circle with the blue color, and then this we make our calculation or the mathematical operation like union. So with this command or the method, then we color them into a green. Then this will be our single this kind of the this shape. So let's do this testing. So union.py and from Manim, so that we need to import all. And then let's create something. So create union example. So that's C. And this is the def construct self. So we make this square. So first is SQ equal to square. Square is we can see here is the square color equal to red, fill opacity equal to 1. So that means no any transparency. So cd0 this, then let's make Manim pql and over union and union example class name. So let's try to run that. That is our PNG because we don't have a play. So this is just our picture. So you can use the this continue, or you can use here is the move to. So we can have -2, 0, 0. So that is the relative coordinate. So let's see. So you can see we have a scene, but we don't have our actual put that is we need not the self play, we just self add. So SQ. So if you do that, is you can starting to make our static this image. So this image without this -2, let me comment that from this pound, then you will put that square in the middle. So that is the thing. Then you can check from here, not the video. You don't have any video, but you create our image. This image is bigger here. And then let's continue. So we continue to do that is I will move this to the left. And then this I will have another is a circle. So I can put that to the second paragraph is a circle with our color equal to blue and the fill. I think it's we have a certain way is we have just opacity. So fill opacity. Let's see. I just wanted to see the fill opacity equal to 1. And I will add my circle. So you need to show that through this add. So here is opacity. So for this keyword is not correct. So I think it's for the static image, you need to use this fill opacity. So now I have two, but I don't move my circle to certain relative space. And if you want to put some this opacity, you need to use a set fill. So that if I put that just during this shape or the object definition, then I need to use this fill opacity. So that is the way. So and then you can put this move to without two lines. So here is we make that into -1 and upper something. So I will put this minor with this square parenthesis minus 0.3, 1.3, 0.7, and not have anything in the z, because that is a 3 dimensions. We will learn that later on how to make that. So you can see very easily is coming to what we have put in here. Now the next one is we will create a union. So union means is we just use our UN as a name. Union is using this one, union putting two. So square, circle, and you can put our, if I don't put anything, so let's say move to right. So just a certain part is the 1.5, 0.30, and then here just load your new shape. Let's run. So nowadays your union is like our single object combination, but without any color. So it's they will ignore your original color. They just like our frame. So and then so you can see here maybe it's if I put that is play. So can I play all of them? That is not correct. So let's not play on that. So first is I put the union, and here I will give some set is the color equal to green, and the fill opacity. I can set is a different fill opacity, let's say half transparent. Then that will make your union part is not fully this zero the opacity, so or the transparency. So, but within that is you can also see the generated image in this image file under this class name, but this program name, but not in the video file, because we are not using this the self.play. We use the self.add, so that is the static image. But with these three lines, I hope is you got the idea is you can put two objects and make that as a union. And after this union is you can see you can set a certain property or method to this union result as our one single object. So that is the way is we show you is how you can make our union. With that is we finish this number 4 example. Next one is the last homepage example. We will see how we can make a wrap square. So see you then. Bye for now.